Hey crypto enthusiast, today I just want to talk about one specific coin, and this is DENT. In my previous short video you saw a DENT chart trade I made early in the morning, and now I want to explain why I did this trade and what does it mean for the people who are holding the DENT coin for a longer time. Let's jump into the market.
This video was presented by PEAKDEFI, the DeFi ecosystem to grow your wealth.
Okay, first of all, we want to check again CoinMarketCap, because CoinMarketCap is all times interesting of the market cap. And right now we are around 96 million, which is okay. A lot of potential to the upside. And as well, we see we are more on a sideways market right now here. So if we're moving up with the market cap, I think then it's all times the same on DENT. If DENT is moving up, then it will be very fast move to the upside. But let's go into the market and let me explain everything. We start with the daily chart. Yeah, I made it more clear actually, and more beautiful, so you understand more what I'm doing here. And I will explain why I choose this resistance zones and levels. For that I will make a specific video. But yeah, as we see, we are on the middle of a key level and our January 2021 high. So it's kind of place where it's not nice to trade, right? For holdings, I can just say buy DENTs. It's super nice for holdings. And every time we move below 0.001, I buy more in my HODL portfolio. But now I just want to explain why I did the short and why this specific trade was the best setup. So as we see, first of all, the H4 is short, right? We see that our big red cloud, our momentum is all on the short side. So the upper money, the big money, is going to the downside. Then important, then we have the H1, and the H1 was today, we see the little red arrow where I went in, was in our cloud. And much more important is that we went over the last high. So we just took out the buys, right? People went in to buy it because it was a nice buy place. Because if people doesn't have the cloud what I have, people could think, okay, this could be a reversal. And that's my favorite trades. I like, if the market is short, we make a fake to the upside, and then I like it to short it. This is what I did here. So I was just waiting for that. And then important is that the M15 is short as well. So I need all time the confirmation of the 3 time frames, right? Normally it's just H1 and M15, but I like it as well if the H4 is on the same side as well. So yeah, what is important for the M15? For the M15, that the cloud is red as well. We see it's still red. And important that we are here on our zone 8. Yeah, zone 8 is, we have seven levels here, and above that is zone 8. And we are on the zone 8, so this is a perfect moment where we can look for shorts, because then we going for that what you all times here, I guess. Sell high, buy low, and this is actually what we are doing. And then I'm just going to the M1 chart, which is this one, this little one. So normally it looks like that, right? I have this one zoomed out. It looks a bit messy because my trade is there. And then I go into my M1 chart, and I'm waiting for a trade to enter. Actually, the perfect entry would be here. That would be the perfect entry. But I was not there. I was still not awake. Or I mean, I was awake, but I was then not in front of my computer. I would take this one as well. So unfortunately, I came a little late into the market, which was below this low. Yeah, and then I sold it. Stop, obviously, below the above the last high, and my take profit is on the latest low, which was, when we look back, the yesterday low, and we see, unfortunately, I don't know why, I guess the spread was not on my side, but he didn't took me out, so unfortunately I'm still in the market. But yeah, I took a bit already out, so I'm already 100 in profit. And if I get stopped out, I get stopped out, right? I cannot change it, and I just have to leave the market what it is. So for the conclusion, you can short DENT right now, and I think maybe it will go down more. But for the HODL portfolio, everything which is going down below 0.001, you can buy for your HODL portfolio. This is what I actually do as well. But it's all time for the future market. Don't buy as well with no leverage. Don't buy it right now. It's super risky because I think it's still falling down. What you could do would be okay if you say, okay, with a small leverage of 2 maybe, you can buy a little bit right now, and then when it falls, you can buy back as well something. Just looks that your liquidation price is below this January 2021 high, because if we go down there and there's your liquidation price, that would be bad, right? So you could buy, but put your liquidity or your leverage better just to 1 or to 2, and then you can make maybe 3 or 5 entries, and put them on a, maybe do one here, one later on 0.008, 0.007. So in 100 steps. That's what you could do. If you have the money and if you want to do that, And later on there will be a video as well for the other coins. I will make an analysis about Veracity, ADA, Tron, and actually Thesis as well. So I'm looking forward for you, and if you have interesting coins I have to analyze, let me know that in the commentary, and feel free to leave me a like there or subscription. And if there are no other questions, I hope you have a great week and happy trading. Bye.